Hi guys, it's Chris with Globus Gates. Recently finished this wonderful installation for the wall topper. We call this section on top of the walls wall topper because obviously it sits on top of the wall. Like usual, we do heavy duty design, aluminum, 100% aluminum. We have aluminum slats, 2 inches. One of our sizes actually is 2 inches. We call it Alu 20 series. Got aluminum posts, heavy duty. That's how we make our aluminum. Very, very strong structural grade aluminum. As you can see, the wall is going with a slope and all the slats are aligned following the slope, so it gives you a nice design throughout the whole length of the front of this house. So we mainly did this wall extension, or wall topper I should say, to keep the dog inside. Our customer here has a pretty big dog and it was actual problem of the dog jumping out all the time. So what we did in here, structural aluminum grain, which is heavy duty and keeps the dog safe inside, so the dog cannot bite the mailman or whatever guests are coming by walking on the street. It's very safe and secure. And let me show you the gate we did for this project as well. Again, that's the gate I was talking about. We have a heavy duty framing here with a standard size hall locks. So whatever locks you guys will provide us, we can install actually no charge on the spot. And you can get whatever locks you like, including keypad locks, fingerprint locks, normal latches and levers, just like that. Just keep in mind, if you guys have a pool, there is actually certain regulations for the gates, and we can talk about it in the future when we'll talk about the pool gate specifically. So here we have horizontal slats matching with the horizontal slats on the gate. Bottom portion of the gate we made specifically solid on purpose, so it kind of blends in nicely with the solid portion of the wall for the same reason, so the dog cannot really bark at the people just walking by. Yet everything is nice, secure, very modern designs. If you guys looking to get yourself something like that with the modern designs for the front of the house or back of the house, we can help you out with that, providing extreme quality for the job. Actually, our slat is heaviest on the market for aluminum for the best price. How we can make it? Because all of our aluminum is made in US and powder coated in US, and we guarantee the best price for the quality on the market. It's guaranteed, guys. We can put it on the paper. Check out some other designs and different sizes of the slats on our Instagram profile, or go to our showroom location, which is located in North Hills, close by Van Nuys Airport. See you guys in the next videos.